What up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome to another video. Oh, alright, right there, pretty cool. But anyways, so today what I'm gonna be doing is 2 days pass after I put the I lowered the car and I put the front tires on it. I didn't have the rear tires. I think I found some at a tire shop around here locally. So I'm gonna go pick them up and slap on the rear because I don't want to be rolling around with the front aftermarket and the rear OEM. It just looks, I don't like it. And then I'm gonna see if I could take it to get fender rolled because it does rub. It doesn't rub going straight. It's when I make a turn, and it's not even that bad. I'm pretty sure I know it's. Oh man, these bumps are horrible. Oh, this one's easier. Man, those bumps are brutal. Yeah, but I need to get the car rolled. So hopefully the guy's still available or free after I pick up the tires, put them on and all that stuff. Hopefully he's free, but let's go on, continue our date. Okay, to pick up Mr. Box, the handy dandy man. This is how she's looking right now. What do you guys think? I know last time it was pretty dark, but I think it looks pretty good. Pretty even. It seems pretty even. I hope the front is even. If not, I'll just raise it again. It's not that hard to raise the coil. But what do you guys think about the front? If you just see this angle, it looks pretty good. I think it's looking pretty good. Damn, this guy takes forever to come out. You said be here at 11 exactly. I was at 11 exactly.
11:09.
Fuck. It's okay. We got things to do.
Taking a shower.
We came to buy some tires. Mr. Box had found them an offer up, and we get here and the guy doesn't reply. What a waste of time.
Why send the address if you're not gonna reply?
What a waste of my time. It looks like we're not gonna put the tires on today either.
You can't say that.
Got the tires. Hopefully they work. So now I'm gonna go to the tire shop. On the way to the tire shop, let's just see if they work. I hope they do. Because I'm done trying to buy tires already. Quick lunch break. My old high school. Pretty cool. Mr. Box is paint today, finally. Those are new tires. The old ones that didn't work. We're gonna eat. New tires on. We're going to other ones. Moment of truth in 5 minutes. So we got all of them on, but we have one issue. This thing is on the tires. So what I'm gonna do for now is, man, this thing's looking good old handy dandy rolling it with this thing. Let's see how it works out.
It's your side one.
We got the tires installed and everything, but I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's rubbing from the rear. Oh man. I did the whole fender rolling with a jack handle, which is, I mean, it kind of It would have been horrible if I didn't do it. Wouldn't have rolled if I didn't do that. But I think it's just rubbing on a little plastic. There's like a little plastic on the rear quarter panel. So I think it's that rubbing. I don't really think it's the quarter panel itself. I'm gonna try and see if I remove it. Let's see if we could stick the GoPro out the window.
Low life, bro.
Oh, I can smell the tire.
Let's not put the window down.
That's part of the low life. Let's see if we can fix it right now. We're gonna try and do something else to it. Oh. Fuck it. Cut it off.
This thing won't make it in my driveway.
Huh?
It won't make it on my driveway.
Is it this one?
Yeah. Taking red lights, we don't care.
We can't stop for this, like this. So I think what's rubbing is this thing. I'm gonna have to remove this. I mean, it's not that bad. I think that's what's rubbing, not the quarter panel itself or this fender. Same thing over here. A little plastic lip. Should be fine though. Probably wash it, clean it up, and then show you guys the whole thing. And I do have the stock wheels in the trunk, so I want to see everything closed. Took one of them off. We'll probably roll it much better like this without it. Metal?
Yeah, it's like aluminum.
They're legit then?
Not anymore.
I think it's the Reinhardt is pretty good now.
Yeah, that's it.
It's somewhere in the bag with.
Oh, I picked it up?
Yeah. You got it?
Nah. You want it? No, besito, te lo compro. Él no es que lo compra. Ya, chinga. Es su primo frente de todo.
And we're done. We'll give it a test drive around the block in a bit. Oh yeah. Much better. There it is. It's just filthy. Do a trick, Lee.
I don't know how.
Do a trick, Ricardo, for the vlog.
I'm gonna be like that barber guy that puts the vape on the Harley.
That's not a trick.
He blows ovals, he can't blow ovals.
We got music. Let me see that little hack you did.
Oh, there's no left speaker. We're gonna get copyright.
Sound with $2.99.
Producciones originales. Saludos al compa Poca. Hasta el Dorado, Sinaloa, viejo, y dice más o menos así.
What the? Oh, I think I closed it. There you go. We're filthy. There it is, all cleaned up. Need to dry it, but much. We have a little turbo right here. Ooh, say hello. Much better for now. I don't know about the tire size. I do kind of like it, but I plan on getting a kit for it, like a bumper and all that stuff, but I mean, it works for now. What do you guys think? I think she looks pretty good. Pretty good. I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Say bye-bye, Turbo. Say bye-bye.